Hello friends, today I will see you the new addition of my plant. Here you can see which plant. Can you understand? Yes, this is a very beautiful butterfly pea flower plant and flower. And you can see how much it looks. It is its bud, and you can see its bud is look like. Here you can see it has very beautiful ink color flower. Wow, it's amazing. And you can see here is one more, a very beautiful plant. And this is a new addition of my plants. This is best summer flowering vine. I have just in very little pot, but if you grow in big pot it will give you more and more flowers, and it will spread. So this is new addition in my plants. It is butterfly pea flower, Asian pigeon wing. These are something its names. And you can see its flower's shape is very unique. It look like something pigeon, so it is called Asian pigeon wing. You can also must add it into your garden and make your garden very beautiful. This unique plant and flower and a very beautiful ink color flowers. I hope you like it. If you like it, must share it and subscribe it. See you again and again. Goodbye. Stay safe and blessed always.